Welcome to our journey. Our maiden voyage on our new toy was really fun and relaxing. However, getting to and from the beach was a bit chaotic. We're really thankful a couple of total strangers just jumped right in and helped us get the Hobie off the beach and back to the house. Bill cut out all the desk pieces on the CNC this morning, and we're getting ready to spray them with polyurethane, first coat. And he sanded them too.
There are the desk parts. The lower two parts are the desk bottom and top. Underneath the really long board there are the desk sides. On top there are little boards to make 4 drawers on top, and then there's 2 drawers that go inside the desk. There are all of the drawer parts. And I was starting to do some work on our drives. Our first usage of them obviously showed that there was definitely some deferred maintenance that we need to address. My idler pulley broke and Jeannie's chain broke. Just so much more powerful than me. Overcranked the pedals. So I'm going to move those out of the ways and get this tabletop cleaned up so I can start assembling the desk. That's the plan for today. Later. And let's see if these will fit in a little better. This one is my bottom one. Go ahead and put glue in here. Okay. Somehow hold it. Okay, I think we're good there. Okay, all the fronts seem good. How are we on squareness? That looks pretty good that way. Good work on the back side. Glue. Okay. We are in a good position to let this guy dry. Okay. Okay. One of the drawer units, upper units, and of course there is the desktop. I'm getting ready to start taking them apart, well, taking the clamps and stuff off. Cool. Yeah, that looks good. Good. Yeah. Okay. Could have been a little better. Interesting. Okay. Oof. So that's kind of how that is supposed to look when this is all assembled. One clamp. Another clamp. That seems pretty good that way. It's not right. Yeah, at least I caught it before it got very far along. This guy would go like that. There's all that little box all clamped up. Of course, I got these two unclamped. I have the top one staying approximately where it's going to be. It comes down to how it works in the other room. But I'm going to go get my jack. Later.
What you doing, honey?
No, trying to slowly clean up all this wiring that I've done in the past.
Is that all you, or is that me too?
No, well, it's both of us. Cleaning up all the wiring here so we can actually put the desks in.
What you doing down there, honey?
The MSD is throwing a zero current alarm. Something is wrong with it. We just did the cleaning, which is one of the reasons it can happen, but that didn't make any difference. Now I'm checking fuses in here.
Okay.
The MSD there is showing zero current. It's happy on voltage though, but I'm not seeing anything obvious there. I wanted to just check these guys, maybe. Let's see, that one is still good. And that one still looks good.
So it appears the electrode has gone bad on the MSD. I sat there with the voltmeter and I could see power go to the mixer and the other pump in the unit, and then I saw voltage go to the electro pack, but no current was ever registered. So the electronics appear to be working, just the electrode is no longer there to do what it's supposed to do. So I'm gonna have to get a replacement electrode, which of course means get to pop that unit open. Oh joy, fun, fun, fun. You know what I always love, more toilet work. Later. Yeah, anyway, that meter should come on. Maybe. Hopefully. Hey, look at that. Cool. Okay, we're down to the NEMA. We've slowly gotten the wiring a little neater. At least we got room for putting the unit back. Got that shield out of there. And there's that meter. Still working over here. It's a little neater now.
Ooh, that looks much nicer. All the electrical tidied up. Well, that's a little crazy, but
Yeah. There's a lot of extra wire there that needs to be trimmed properly. We're going to trim out this little section right here so that the shelving unit can come all the way to the edge here.
melted. So it'd be a standing desk. We changed our design on the standing desk below the DC panel. Now we're going to cut these beautiful cabinets for the drawers. We're going to cut them down from 15 inches to 12.5 inches. We're back to trying to make design decisions. Should we keep the height of these drawer boxes and lower the desk? We'll let you know what we decide after we finish playing house.
I think we've finally come to an agreement. Very violent. I'm the one blinking now. We're still going to have 4 drawers. What we're going to end up with is we're going to bring this up a little bit more. There'll be 8 inches from the board here down. So that leaves 7.5 inside. And then, so we'll have like a 4-inch drawer and a 2.5 or 3-inch drawer, whatever we can fit in there. And then on this side, because we're now lower, this drawer actually bumps up against this conduit stuff, and we're going to try to move it around a little bit. But that's going to make this drawer only about either 9 or 10 inches deep. This one over here will be the full 12 because it can slide back. And as you can see, the little mechanism here is out of the way, so these drawers will be able to open without interfering with the window. And it looks like the window will open and close too without any issue. So that's what we're currently planning on. We can use those upper drawers. One is a little pencil drawer, and then one maybe is a key drawer, so that we keep things cleaner and less cluttered. Of course, we could just set the keys on top, you know, where you have this nice overhang area.
Stop.
Jeannie's now blinking.
Yeah.
So anyway, that's what we're gonna do. We're not gonna.
Surface area means clutter.
Right. Yeah, it's the, what is it? Flat area disease, FAD or something, where if there's a flat area, it collects stuff. It's like a disease. As soon as you have a flat surface.
This Kleenex box is mine.
Yeah. And that camera box, or the Kleenex box, was like the only thing on there a couple hours ago. And then I came in here. Anyway, we're going to sleep on it and make sure we're happy, and then tomorrow we'll cut those pieces out. And then start figuring out how to do the support for everything. Fun, fun, fun. Later. puts this guy at 37 and a half.
Okie dokie. I like that.